Hi everybody, this is Keith with Bob CNC, and I'm here this morning with my best friend Bob outside of our shop. And I want to talk to you about a new kit that we're going to be offering our customers that will help you convert your E3 into an E4 if you're interested in getting one. As you know, we introduced the E4 about a little over a week ago. We've had a really great response. We hope you're enjoying the machine. But we also know we've got a lot of customers that have been using the E3 for going on
About 2 years.
about 2 years now, and maybe you'd like to upgrade to the E4 without having to buy another machine. And so in the spirit of being simple and cost effective, we came up with a way to do that, and Bob, why don't you tell them about it?
Yeah, the E3 to E4 conversion kit is nothing more than you're going to take parts off of your E3 and we're going to give you some parts and you'll be able to upgrade to the E4. So really it's going to include all of the wood pieces. It's also going to include the spoil board with the T-slots. We're going to throw in some T-slot nuts or some T-slot nuts so that you can be taken care of there. It also is going to include longer rods, longer belts, really everything that you need to go for the upgrade. We're even going to throw in a few extras like some spire wrap, some home switches, some extra hardware, just to make sure that you are taken care of. As a matter of fact, we sat around and we thought, what would we want to have in this upgrade kit if we were taking this apart and making a new one? So we've tried to include all of those things.
So remember, when you're taking apart your E3 and converting it with your upgrade kit, make sure you don't set aside or throw away any of the parts until you've got your E4 completely built, so that you don't inadvertently lose something that you find out you're going to need. And as with everything that we do at Bob CNC, if you have any questions or need any help, you can get a hold of us at the help desk at bobcnc.com. And if you're wondering about the cost, the E3 to E4 upgrade kit will cost $328, and you'll be able to order it Monday. Thanks so much.
Thanks for watching.